What's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. So in this course, we are going to be learning how to set up your TikTok ads campaign. So first of all, go to google.com and go click TikTok ads, advertising on TikTok ads like this. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, so just in case you haven't created your account yet, create your TikTok ads account. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. But if you already created your account, then login. This is the main dashboard here. So all we need to do is simply just go to campaign here. Okay, so click on create campaign here. All right, so I guess my internet connection is really not stable here, so it might take a while. Okay, so first of all, we need to choose simplified mode. Okay, then since we want to get like more traffic to our landing page, to our affiliate landing page, then just choose traffic, then continue. Okay, and so here is the setting part. First of all, just choose like the locations that you want to um, target. So for example, me personally, I would like to target like these two top tier countries, Canada and United States, because these two countries have like very high quality traffics. Maybe you want to add what else here, Korea, right? Just click on it. Right, so we're done with the locations, so let's go to the audience type. There are like two options here. You can choose either custom audience or automatic audience. So if you choose automatic audience, it means that you leave all the settings to TikTok. So let's the TikTok algorithm to decide like which categories or which type of people they're more suitable to see your ads. So yeah, if you trust like completely to TikTok ads algorithm, but if you don't trust TikTok algorithm, just use a custom audience where you can um, choose like targeted demographics that you want, right? So let's say you're promoting female clothes, right? This is just for example. So just click on female because you only want female to see your ads. And then age, since the clothes is like intended for let's say Gen Z and millennials, so just choose let's say these three age group: 13 to 17, 18 to 24, and 25 to 34, because these are like the young women that you want to target, right? Okay, so language, since your product is in English, then just use English. Okay, and let's move on to interest and behavior. Since remember that we're actually promoting female clothes right now, so just make sure like what kind of TikTok needs fall into that category, right? Educations maybe not. Yeah, just type in here, just check in beauty and personal care, because clothing is kind of related to beauty and personal care. Text and electronic, it doesn't apply. Appliance, travel, household products, pets, apps, home improvement, apparel, and accessories. Yeah, maybe you can also add this. um I think that's it. Only these two categories apply to product that we're promoting. And then this is also like you can sort like the viewers of your ad based on their engagement with other um, accounts. So make sure you want to get like a high quality traffic, meaning that people who engage with their um, TikToks. So make sure people who commented and shared in the previous 15 days, in the past 15 days. Since we are promoting female clothing brand, so we just choose lifestyle and beauty and style, I guess. It depends on what type of product you're promoting. Just pick or choose your the needs that are directly related to your product. Okay, so this is just the options. You can either promote your products on TikTok or Pangle. But again, Pangle, I haven't even heard this name before. So no thanks. I'm just going to promote my products on TikTok. So just continue and set your budget. Again, maybe it's kind of the same with Google Ads. If you're a beginner, you have like a limited budget. Just choose a $10 or $5 as your daily budget here. Okay, and this is kind of the same thing with Google Ads. Just choose like how many days you want to run your ad campaigns on TikTok. or maybe you don't have any preference, right? You just want to start now and no end date, just end whenever your budget um, is gone, right? So you just choose this. But let's say you want to run your campaign for a week. Just choose February 10th because today is February 3rd. Okay, so you just click on continue here, and now it's the time to create your ad. Because again, on TikTok ads, all you need to do is simply just to upload video or upload image or whatever ads. So these are like my previous ads related to ClickBank product. Okay, so just create upload video and upload image, and then once you're done, just click publish. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. But again, this time we're not gonna publish it because um, this is just for the sake of tutorial. Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. This is actually like this the tutorial on how to set up your TikTok ad campaigns. Thanks for watching, and I will I will teach you and guide you step by step on how to find Instagram influencer on ShortChart platform in next video. Bye.